Hey guys, we are in my living room and we're doing something a little different. I got my Boxycharm and I thought let's just sit on the couch and unbox it. It has not been opened at all, so this is a very true unboxing. I don't remember what I picked. I don't even know. So here's what the inside of it looks like. This is the base box. Here is the sheet. I'm going to lay it down here in front of me. And I can already tell you I didn't get the palette I wanted, but it's okay. I wanted the green palette. But anywho, Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. I think this is what I picked. Pharmacy, this is an alcohol-free toner, gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping skin. Ideal for combination oily or acne-prone skin. I do have combination to oily. This retails for $28, so there's the price of your box. And let's see, and this is weighty. This is 4 fluid ounces. Hey, Lulu. Are you wanting to get in on the video? Oh, wow. Is that glass? It's glass. That's why it was so heavy. So there's what it looks like. Oh, I can't wait to try this. And I like the color. It's light green. Okay, so there's that. And as you can see, the box fit the product. Nice. I like that. Let's see what else we got. She's going to run around like crazy, guys. Bally Balm. Sweet orange and coconut lip balm. Here's what the packaging looks like, guys. I know my lighting in here is not as good as in the bedroom because I don't have my lights up. But this is just, I wanted to do something different. So this is essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give the lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C and known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft lips. This retails for $33. What? A $33 lip balm? It's in a tube. Okay. I'll be trying this because I have, well, shoot. I was going to say I have liquid lipstick on, but it is very creamy. That is very creamy. Okay, I like that. I'm a sucker for a good lip balm. I do like that. What's next? Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Here's what the packaging looks like before I tear into it. Can you guys see that good? I don't know. This may have been a total bomb idea to do this. But there's the packaging. The inside. Let's see what this one says. Oh, there's Laura Geller in here. Dr. Brandt Deeply Hydrating Peptide Powered Cream helps diminish all signs of aging. Can you see her jumping back and forth? Around the delicate eye area, which I do need. Includes lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness for refresh, younger looking eyes for all skin types. This retails for $82. $82. Next. What is next? Laura Geller High Def Glow. Is this like a highlighter? You guys know I just decluttered my highlighter drawer. And it was just in bubble wrap, no box. Yeah, Glow Illuminator Duo Heart of Gold. It features a shimmer that radiates with pearlescent polish and a stardust sparkle. The left shade is a soft low light of crushed pearl, and the right shade is sparkle with a high intensity sparkle that looks as though you were plucked from the night sky. This retails for $33. So it's small. I mean, it's not, and there's 2 in here. Oh, they're very pretty. And you know me, I like a gold highlighter. So that's cute. We will do a get ready with the makeup items in here. And last but not least is Ciate the Velvet Palette. Now this was very pretty too Oh, this is that soft touch packaging. Oh my goodness gracious. That's nice. Oh, that's pretty. I see some powder dust. Please don't be broken. There's powder dust up here. That is a beautiful, beautiful packaging. The back is like a gold. Please don't be broken. It's not broken. Oh, there's a lot of shimmer. There's no mattes in here. It is all like satin or super glitter. I'm gonna hold this up like this, but that is gorgeous. I would go in with a nice neutral palette just to get things started and finish off with this. I'm not gonna swatch it right now. We will do a get ready with me using this, but that is beautiful. And let's swatch. I said I wasn't gonna swatch. That's like pure glitter. Can you see that? That is like pure glitter. I have a towel that I'm sitting on, so. Oh, that is super smooth. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's very pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I want to try. So that was this one and this one. I want to try this one. Lulu's running around like crazy. That's kind of mattish. I mean, it's a satin. You can tell that it's not like a matte. Ooh. Clean my finger off on this towel I'm sitting on. I want to do this shade over here. And we'll do it right here. Oh, very pretty. I'll do one more. I want to do this gold. Let's throw this gold right here. Ooh. Let's do one more. This one. Lulu's running everywhere. If you hear that, that's what it is. It is Lulu. What? That is very pretty. Very pretty. It's mine now because I've swatched all over it. And I didn't read that, did I? Create molten metal and matte looks. It says it's matte, but it looks satin in the packaging. Molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics and soft shimmers and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative power powder formulation delivers high pigmentation with super soft application. This retails for $30. And guys, if you want to know what box I got, oh my goodness gracious. Can you guys read this down at the bottom? Right here. That is my box. I know some people ask me for the weight, and I never look at that. It doesn't say. It doesn't tell me the weight. That is what I got in my Boxycharm, guys. Come here, Lulu. Come here. Come here. She's not. She's not. Let me know if you've got your Boxycharm, and have you been using it? Did you like what you got? Put all my stuff back in my box so I can take it in the bedroom. I'm super excited to try this. I'll definitely be trying this on my cheeks. I'll be using everything. So this was a really good box this month because I'm not disappointed in anything that I got. All right, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.